Welcome to new video. If 12 to the power x plus y equals to 18 to the power 2x minus y, we will find 3 to the power x by 3. So this case, first this one we can write 12 to the power x times 12 to the power y. How? Because we know a to the power m plus n, a to the power m times a to the power n, because once base are same, that time in product power will be 8. Okay, and this one also we can write 18 to the power x times 18 to the power minus y. Now we can write, look, 12 to the power x divide, here is this one 18 to the power 2x equals to, similar, here is 18 to the power minus y divide 12 to the power y. Now we can just flip this fraction. It means 18 to the power x divide 12 to the power x, same 12 to the power y divide 18 to the power minus y. Flip the fraction, flip the fraction, because it will help us to make solution. Next, this is 18. If we segregate, it means 18 we can divide by 2, it will be 9. 9 can be divided by 3, right? So first 2 times 3 square to the power 2 to the power 2 times 3 square to the power 2x, and this 12 we can write 2 divide 6, 2 divide 3. It means 2 square times 3 to the power x. Same thing also in here, 12 we can write 2 square times 3 to the power y divide this 18 2 times 3 square to the power minus y. Now 2 to the power 2x times 3 to the power 4x, and here 2 to the power 2x times 3 to the power x. Same thing also in here, 2 to the power 2y times 3 to the power y. Here is also 2 to the power minus y times 3 to the power minus 2y. Now look, this 2 to the power 2x and this 2 to the power 2x out, and here is 3 to the power 4x divide 3 to the power x, we can write 3 to the power 4x minus x equal, here is 2 to the power 2y and here is minus y, it will be plus y, times 3 to the power y and here is minus 2y, we can write plus 2y. How? Because we know once base are same, it means a to the power m divide a to the power n, we can write a to the power m minus n. Now here is 3 to the power 4x minus x, it will be 3x equal, here is 2 to the power 2y plus y, it means 3y times 3 to the power y plus 2y, it means 3y equal. Now look, here is 3 to the power x to the power 3 right? And here is 2 to the power 3y times 3 to the power 3y. Look, if a to the power m times a to the power n, we can write not like this. Suppose b to the power m. This one we can write ab to the power m because power is same. Same thing, 2 times 3 to the power 3y we can write. Now 3 to the power x to the power 3, and here is 6, 2 times 3 is a 6, and here is to the power 3y. This one also we can write 6 to the power y to the power 3. Now most important thing here, 3 to the power x to the power 3 and 6 to the power y to the power 3. We know once base are same, that time power will be equal. Similar, once power is equal, it means a to the power m equals to b to the power m. That case we can write a equals to b. So here we can write 3 to the power x equals to here 6 to the power y. Base are same. Now we can write in here 3 to the power x equals to 6 to the power y. We can make power both side by 1 by y. It means 3 to the power x times 1 by y equals to 6 to the power y times 1 by y. Okay, so this case 3 to the power x by y equal y and y out, it will be 6, and this is our answer because our target to make 3 to the power x by y, right? And we get 6. It's a very important math, and this math we will face lots of law of exponent, like a to the power m plus n equals to a to the power m times a to the power n. Same, a to the power m divide a to the power n equals to a to the power m minus n, and also a to the power m times b to the power m, it means ab to the power m. So there are lots of things we are touch in this math. So these kinds of math is a good practice to follow law of exponent. So no more today. Please stay with me. My channel name MathJape, and this channel I'm doing algebra practice step by step. Thank you very much. Please share with your friend also. Thank you.